Hello, Bitcoin has moved up and I'm currently tracking these three scenarios. So the first bullish scenario is counting this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading contracting diagonal, ABC in a wave 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a finished wave 1 of a lower degree, and then ABC an expanded flat for a wave 2, and then you move up. The alternative is counting this exactly the same, but here you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, finishing now wave 1. And after that, we are looking for a retracement for a wave 2. And the bearish scenario, counted this exactly the same as the other one, except that we are now labeling this as a wave A and wave B instead of 1, 2. And then you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 to finish wave C like that. So what are the probabilities if this is an ABC or if it's an impulse? We don't know, because in an impulse you want to break out of this channel. In a zigzag, in an ABC, you want to be contained within this parallel channel, basically. It is quite common to have a little bit overthrow here over the channel, but you want to do that with a lower amount of volume if you are looking for an ABC. If you are looking for an impulse, you want to break this channel with a lot of increased volume. So you want volume to be going up like this. And also you want to have the candle with no overlap on it. Then it is a higher probability of being an impulse up. So yeah, that is what I am looking for. And also now we are approaching this common target. We have already hit this for a wave C, the common target, but this is a more common target than this one. So I'm looking for this, and then I want to see signs of weakness. You want to see lower volume here, and then you expect a retracement down. And that goes for all of the other scenarios as well, because here we also are finishing this lower degree wave 1, and then we're looking for a retracement. And here we are looking for the retracement in a wave C. So the matter of the retracement is very important. If we get an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an 1, 2, 3, then it is a higher probability that this is a finished ABC and we are looking for much lower prices. If we get a three-way move, then if we are looking into this as an ABC, you need to label this as like a W and then a wave X, and then you have a wave Y to finish the corrective structure, a more sideways corrective structure or a zigzag upwards. But the matter of this retracement is very important. And if you take a fib like this and you pull it from the low, you can see here that we haven't hit the 38.2 yet, the Fibonacci target. I can drag it here and also here. So you can see that here we haven't hit that. And that is a very common target that you want to at least minimum hit for either a wave B, like this, a wave B, a wave X, or a wave 2. So that goes for all of these. So here in the impulse, with a wave 1, you're looking for a wave 2, and you want to hit the wave 2 at least here with a 38.2 fib target. So that is what I am looking into. And then it is a matter of the nature, as I mentioned, how we get there. If we get an impulse, three-way correction, then it's a deeper correction for a wave 2 or a finished zigzag like that. But if we get here, it's a low probability for a wave 2, and then it's a higher probability that we are taking out this low if we hit this at 61.61.6.93. But that is some way to go. So yeah, I am looking now, as I mentioned, for lower volume, signs of weakness like RSI, divergence, whatever you want to use. And also that we are contained within this channel, because if we get a break moving up, it is a higher probability of a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 3, 4, and we just go with a new bullish run. So, but when we see this weakness, keep an eye out on the 38.2, and you pull it like this from the bottom to whatever this high is, and then you expect at least to hit this 38.2 fib target. So I hope that was valuable to you. If you found this analysis helpful, feel free to subscribe, and you can also find Elliott Wave resources at mellantrading.com. I'll see you in the next one.